Alright guys, I've just fitted these two wall sockets in my kitchen. Well, I've just changed this one because when I tried fitting this extension, the neutral cable, there was something wrong with the neutral terminal. Because I was tightening it up and the screw was just turning and turning. So I thought, oh fuck it, I'll just change it. So I've got two USB C sockets now. So I've just completely changed this one because this one was here. This one was here, and then I've just fitted this one. It's took me all afternoon. It's now what? It's now 19:39, and I've been doing it since 2 o'clock this afternoon. So like it took me a few hours to do, but like I've just literally just this second finished. So like this is my moment of truth. Brian Cunningham, this is your moment of truth. So we'll test it now and see if it goes bang. Right. So this is my tester. So plug it in. There you go, sorted. Yeah, so there you go, 240 volts. There you go. Sorted, that's in your first socket. And then your second one. There you go. There you go. There you go. And then the last one, and this is one that is already that's already here. Don't know if you can see the what you're getting reading, and the same 241, 242 there. 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 So I'll just plug this drill in now to see whether or not it's working. See, there you go. So then I'll just go and get my phone. And can test this iPhone, see if see whether or not the USB sockets are working. I've got some more. I'm gonna put another socket, another double socket in my hallway, and I'm gonna put another USB socket in my bedroom. But I'll do that tomorrow. I was gonna do it today, but because this one's taken this long to do, I can't be asked doing it now, because I weren't planning on changing that socket. So it's just because, as I says, when I came to connect it all off, I just had problems. So I thought, you know what, just change the socket and be done. But like, anyway, so let's plug this USB in, and we'll see if the USB is working. Yep, there you go. So USB is working as well. Yeah, there you go. So this call me Sparky Brian. Anyway, that's this video wrapped up. Hope you enjoyed watching. Okay, bye for now.